Hi boys and girls, this is just a short video to help you with question number 2. I know we haven't seen many math questions like this, so just follow along and hopefully it helps you guys out. So 6 friends are playing checkers. If each friend plays against every other friend once, how many games of checkers will they play all together? So I'm going to start by just drawing my 6 friends. Alright, here are my 6 friends. So now if each friend plays against every other friend once. So that means player 1 plays against player 2, plays against player 3, plays against player 4, 5, and 6. So friend number 1 has already played everybody. So now we're going to move on to friend number 2. But if you look over here, friend number 2 has already played friend number 1. So friend number 2 is going to play against 3, against 4, against 5, and against 6. So now player 3, if you notice, has already played player 1, and he has already played player 2. So he has left to play is player 4, player 5, and player 6. Okay, player 4. Player 4 has played player 1, player 2, and player 3, so all he has left is to play player 5 and player 6. Now player 5 has already played player 4, player 3, player 2, and player 1, so he's going to play player 6. Now, player 6, let's see, player 6 played player 5 here, she played player 4, she played player 3, she played player 2, and also played against player 1. So now we have how many times they all played each other. So now we're going to count how many different games went on. We have 1 game, 2 games, 3 games, 4 games, 5 games, 6 games, 7 games, 8 games, 9 games, 10 games, 11 games, 12 games, 13, 14, and 15. So how many games in total did they play? They played 15 games of checkers. So 15 would be your answer. Hope this helps you guys out. If you have any more questions, please just leave a comment and I'll try and answer it. Thanks, guys.